So we just cut out the leaves out and then chuck them to the side. So now we're going to be doing some digging. So I think I'm going to get a potato right here. So guys, I think I'm going to like get a potato. I think they're deep down in the bottom. So I'm following down this route. It's going to give me an idea where they are. But to be honest, yeah, I think that they're deep down.
Look, that's it. It's not look promising.
Yeah.
It doesn't look promising. Look at that long string. Maybe someone.
But I think that they're down the bottom.
Move your hand.
Yeah, jab it. Yeah, jab it. Okay, that's long strings. See? There's nothing here. Let's just make sure there's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. Wait. Yeah, this is all strings.
What?
Hey, that one's mine. Get away. So if we didn't look down the bottom, we was gonna throw away everything. But now we're seeing some red potato. Ooh, doo doo doo. Ooh. This guy. So. Oops. Maybe you need to return to King.